Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another website like you see with me here is called Simvoly, and it's a website builder and e-commerce platform that allows users to create and launch their own websites, online stores and sales funnels. It provides a range of features and tools to help individuals and businesses build their online presence. So to get on Simvoly, simply head on over to Simvoly or Simvoly.com in Google or any other browser that you prefer. And this is all the results I got after my search. I have it on LinkedIn. I have the similar website here is called Fever. I have other sites over here. We need the official site, that means first one. Let's click on Simvoly websites, funnel and store builder all in one platform. And this website builder offers a drag and drop website builder with a variety of customizable templates, and users can easily design and customize their websites by adding sections, elements, images, videos, and more. No coding knowledge is required to create a professional looking website. And this is the interface like you see with me here, or the homepage. And there is some instruction videos to get understand this website very well. We have also here the free trial and with no credit card required, and other information here, and we will come back to this page later after I show you how to get started and how to create an account for free. Okay, let's get started. Whatever you want, you can do it from here or from here. Okay, let's try from this one. I have this information here that I need to enter. If you will have already an account on Simvoly, you need just to log in from here. If this is the first time to you, just follow me. We need to enter our name, then the email address, and then we need to choose a password. And we need to confirm that we're not robots, and we need to confirm also that we agree with the term of and the condition and the privacy policy. So after we do that, we need to get started from this button over here. So this is the present page after we create the account. To start for the first time, we need to find and choose templates. This is all the services that you need to know. So if you want to start with a template over here, you need just to choose what you want and click on select and enter the title that you want, and then just submit, like example. So this is how to build first store in your account. It's very easy. After you choose a template, it's gonna be very easy to use the websites here. So this is the website and the parameter of it. So you can just edit or sprime or add anything that you want in every time. And here my site in funnels, and let me tell you that to sell funnels, Simvoly provides a sales funnels builder to help users create marketing and sales funnels. Users can create landing pages, lead capture form, and sales pages to greet visitors through the sales process and increase conversion. And like you see me here, the builder, and like I said before and first of the video, the website builder is offers the Simvoly offers a drag and drop website builder with variety of customizable templates. Users can easily design and customize their websites by adding sections, elements, images, videos, and more. No coding knowledge is required to create a professional looking website. And also there is very important thing in this website is this the admins, or like we say the membership websites. Simvoly allows users to create membership based websites where they can offer exclusive content, courses, or subscription based access. Users can set up different membership levels, manage member accounts, and control access to content. And for the billing, after you complete the free trial, you will just enter the information about your cards or payment cards, and then you will just choose the plan that you want with different services and different prices per month, and we just pay by card. It's very easy to do that. And this is after you complete free trial. If you like the website, you just will pay. If you don't like it, you will just change the website to another e-commerce website. And here for the count, you can change the parameter whenever you want, like the first and the last name, or the email and the language. You have here a lot of languages. You need just to select the language that you understand. And you can change the password whenever you want, and repeat it over here and save the changes. And for the affiliates and referral, you will find this over here. Different plans with different prices on the month. It starts only today by bringing customers to the platform. You can create unique links to track your results. Okay, let's check out this one here. You will find all the information about the affiliates over here. And for the blogging and the content management on this site, its Simvoly includes blogging capabilities, allowing users to create and manage blog posts on their websites. And users can publish articles, manage categories and tags, and engage with their audience through commands. That's all. You can find it on here. Just for creating a link, you need just to click over here and start clicking or creating the link from here, from the setting, and just need to write it over here and save, or just you can skip this step over here. Okay, let's close. And Simvoly aims to simplify the website building and the e-commerce process for individuals and small businesses. It offers a range of features and tools to create visually appealing websites, sell products and service online, and optimize online marketplace or the marketing efforts. So this is our video today. If you understand me, please subscribe for more and follow to see other videos like these. So like usual, my friends, bye bye to the next video and next websites, and like usual, stay in good health until that time.